How to replace a DIMM on the AFF A70 and AFF A90 family of systems. Determine the status of the controller and, if necessary, take over the impaired controller. If auto support is enabled, suppress automatic case creation by invoking the following auto support message. Ensure that all drives in the chassis are firmly seated against the midplane. Gently push each drive until you feel a positive stop. Ensure you are properly grounded. To remove power, disconnect the power cords from the power supply. Label and remove all system cables. Press down on both of the locking latches and then rotate both latches downward at the same time to remove the controller. Open the controller air duct on top of the controller. Lift the air duct and rotate it upwards as far as it will go. Identify the DIMM that needs to be replaced. Eject the DIMM from its slot by pushing apart the two DIMM ejector tabs on either side of the DIMM slot. Make sure that the DIMM ejector tabs are in the open position and then insert the DIMM. Push carefully but firmly on the top edge on the DIMM until the ejector tabs snap into place. Close the controller air duct cover. Carefully align and slide the controller module back into the chassis. Ensure that the controller is not engaged with the backplane. Recable the storage system as needed. If you removed the transceivers, QSFP or SFP, remember to reinstall them. Firmly push the controller module into the chassis until it meets the midplane and is fully seated and locked into place. To restore power, plug the power cords back into the power supplies. Boot on tap at the loader prompt. Return the impaired controller to normal operation by giving back its storage. If automatic giveback was disabled, re-enable it. If auto support is enabled, restore and unsuppress automatic case creation. The final step in the replacement process is to return the failed part back to NetApp by following the RMA instructions shipped with the kit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.